Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Caption News on Signing Ceremony with Aftab Feed Products Limited, World Fish and USAID.
Different aspects of edible oil refinery machine plant with turnkey solution.
DEAPS draws 1,406 attendees to in-person conference in Columbus.
$3,000 TD soybean and rapeseed crushing project undertaken by Mayand.
Thanks to Mr. Abdur Rahman Khan and his delegation for visiting our factory.
Kokakal has relied on Samaga silos for Tomco X tomato dehydrator project in Mayajadas.
Council thanks C. Strand, Humphreys for Board of Directors service.
Malaysian Palm Oil Board invents technology to treat palm oil mill effluent.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is Tanpul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.